Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about resolving if Microsoft Access is not responding, starting, or opening properly, and maybe it's just acting very slowish and buggish. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here today, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in apps and features. Best match should come back with apps and features. Go ahead and open that up. On the right side in the apps list field, go ahead and search for Office. Best match, come back on Microsoft Office. Go ahead and select the three-dotted icon next to it and select the Modify button. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. It's going to ask how would you like to repair your Office programs. You want to select Quick Repair. Fixes most issues quickly without the need for an internet connection, and select Repair. It should come back with ready to start a quick repair. This shouldn't take very long, but you won't be able to use your Office programs until we're done. Select Repair. Okay, so this is done repairing. We finished repairing your Office programs and features. You can now close this window and use your programs. Select Close. Would recommend closing out of all this and then attempting to open up your Microsoft Access application, and hopefully your issue has been resolved at this point. If not, something else we can try as well if we come back into Apps and Features, and then again select the Microsoft Office application, three-dotted icon on the right of it, and select Modify. Select Yes if you receive a user account control prompt. This time we're going to select Online Repair. Fixes all issues but takes a little longer and requires internet connection throughout. You can select this option if you're still having problems after a quick repair. Select the Repair button. Ready to start an online repair. We'll download files to repair your installation. This may take some time and requires an internet connection. Select Repair and give this some time to run. Okay, so it should come back on Microsoft. You're all set. Office is installed now. Select close. And I would recommend closing out of here and then restarting your device. And now if you attempt to open up Microsoft Access, you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.